Hi, and welcome to Grow in Health with Affirmations. Let's begin our affirmation session together. How to use affirmations. Your mind affects your actions far more than any other physical part of your body. Therefore, by making positive declarations part of your daily life, you are helping your mind to prioritize positivity over negativity. The power of affirmations lies in repeating them to yourself regularly. Therefore, it is useful to recite your affirmations several times a day. Your affirmations are the strongest if you see them in several forms: thinking them, saying them, and writing them down. Beginning your affirmation with the words "I am" makes it more powerful. It uses language that gives your subconscious mind a command. Your mind then interprets it as a directive that it must follow through on. By declaring these affirmative statements as if you already have them, helps your mind to visualize the outcome. Affirmations work particularly well alongside visualization. Affirmations can also be said whilst looking into the mirror. Thanks for joining me to Grow in Health with Affirmations. Please find below in the description box a link to your free Affirmations ebook, as well as links to our Affirmations online store. Thanks, and enjoy life's journey.